Hey Ramiro, thank you for clicking on my video. Um, Today I want to kind of discuss a little bit about what I do, uh, and we want to talk about Ameriazteca Contractor LLC. And um, a little bit about what I do is I love helping small business owners achieve their goals and get to the top. So with that, there's three things I want to cover today. The first thing I want to cover is content. Second thing, backlinks, and also keywords. And the third thing I want to talk about is citations. Now, I went ahead and looked up your website, and this is the result. This site can't be reached. So what I did is I used a different website that's not your business, but it's ranked on the bottom to kind of give you an example of how this works. So when you type in, uh, by the way, before we get into that, um, there's three different ways that you can be found on Google. And when you type in Concrete North Charleston, South Carolina, these top three positions is one way to be found. Facebook, of course, is another way. And of course, these top three positions on the top. So these top three are 70% of your clients will look at this one and find you that way. 30% will go up here. So in a nutshell, that's that. So let's get started. So let's start with content. When you scroll all the way down, I went ahead and pulled up this company just to kind of show you an example since we cannot open yours. So this 360 Concrete, here's kind of what their website looks like. I wish I could have pulled up yours. Unfortunately, it's not letting me pull up. But what Google really wants and looks for is content and the amount of content that you have. So what they really look for is about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content. And if you look at this one, it looks like it's got about around 300 or so. With that being said, let's kind of look at the competitors one, which is Ford's Ready Mix Concrete, and that's actually in the #1 position. So if you scroll down, you kind of see how much content that they have here. Okay, and that's about it. So they actually have a little bit less content than they have. So unfortunately, this 360 Concrete is beating them in the content part. Um, so basically, that's in a nutshell is what content is what Google looks for, and Google really loves content. So the second thing that I want to discuss is keywords and also backlinks. So um, this tool right here is called Ahrefs. Now we use this tool. It's, right here it shows. I typed in 360. And it kind of shows the current status of this website. And what this is the power, the trust here, um, and this one right here is the strength. So it's got about a 6 to 100 power, and I'll explain why concrete. Uh, this Ford's one is on top. So we are currently looking at the 360 concrete. They have 8 referring domains, 160 keywords, and 13 backlinks. So this is kind of the important thing because they got this many referring domains linking back with the 160 keywords. Um, so that. This is the reason why they're ranking. Let's look at the second one. Now they got 21 referring domains. So that's the reason why they're ranking. It's bringing all this power to their website. So that's the reason why um, this company here might be beating them on content, but this company here is beating them on backlinks and referring domains. They have 120 organics, which are a lot less, or excuse me, about 40 less. But we have access to all these. So whatever these guys are using, which they're using better keywords, because usually some people will just throw in like Pizza Hut, Charleston, or something, and you don't. Pizza Hut don't. It doesn't relate to your business at all. So that could be a reason why they put extra keywords. Um, so in a nutshell, that's pretty much it when we talk about backlinks and keywords in a nutshell. So you also want to look at these do follows here. So um, this 360 has 60 follows, and they have 90 follows on the one that's ranking. So this is kind of what you want to look for. Not all backlinks are created equal. So I mean, these guys have um, more than organic keywords and referring domains than what these guys have. So it all links back to all their backlinks, which makes it more organic. So that's why they're ranking. So the third thing I want to talk about is citations. Now citations is pretty much like a digital phone book for your business, and basically it's these three top spots right here, and you got to be on top of citations in order to rank up here. See, Ford's Ready Mix is on the top as well. As well as here. So they're getting all the traffic for that. The way that we would um, rank these, to be in the top three positions is to be 100% in your Google profile, and also you want to save your photos and everything tied to keywords, everything related to that search volume area, and that's pretty much it in a nutshell. And you want to make sure um, that we have more citations um, than say Jennings Concrete. It'll land you in the top three. Um, so yeah, that's pretty much it. Ramiro in a nutshell. I hope I said your name right. I hope this information is valuable to you. If you would like to sit down and discuss how we can help guide you in your business and your goals, please feel free to contact me. My name is Joshua Gutierrez. I'm with Peterson SEO. My number is 505-331-7995. And if you could do with this as you want, this information is free. And if not, no harm, no foul. With that, I hope the rest of your day is good to you. Thank you, and good day.